everyone, I'm here in front of you to tackle about ROP. So this is my scenario. If the restaurant is expected daily wage is 345 jars of honey, the anticipated delivery is 15 to 20 days. Place the reorder inventory on June 14. When will the company place the order will arrive, and what are these safety stock dates? So formula ani kay usage times lead time plus safety stock. So ang kaning usage is mo ni siya ang 340 jars of honey. So ang kaning lead time kay kaning 15 to kaning anticipated delivery 15 to 20 days. And ang safety stock niya ay kaning 45 bottles per day. So ato kanang compute ROP times 345, which is money ang usage nga 15 days kung lead time times nga plus 345 nga bottles times 5. So first ani kay compute ato sila duha kanang 345 times 15 days equals 5,175. Then ang kanang 345 times 5 is 1,785. Equals nga plus ning duha equals 6,900 jars of honey. Then ang place order niya June 14 sa kaning reorder inventory. Ang lead time niya is 15 to 20 days. So ang kaning order will arrive kay nag-base siya sa kaning June 14. So mo sugod ta og June 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 29. So 15 days mong na June 29. So ang kaning June 29 kay 15 days minimum order lead time. So kaning nya ang safety stock dates is June 29 to July 4, which is 5 days. The other topic is EOQ, means economic order quantity. So this is my example. Number of pork per kilo required annually 8.123 kilos. Cost of placing an order 350 pesos. And annual carrying cost per year of inventory is 10 pesos. So money ang this is formula for the EOQ. So square root then 2. So EOQ equals 350 times 8.123 kilos equals 2,843,400. Ya ang kanang 2,843,400 kay times 2 equals 5,686,800. Ya ang kanang 5,686,800 kay i-divide mo siya sa 10 equals mo na siya magawas 5,686 nya 680 nya imo siya i-square root sila duha ang magawas niya kay 754.10 pero ground of man mo 11. So money ang A. Ang B orders equals N number of orders divide EOQ nya mo siya kaning 8.123 kilos divide 754.11, which is kaning EOQ equals 10.77 orders. Ang TOC kay total ordering cost kay number of cost times OC equals 10.77 times 350, which is kaning cost of placing an order equals 3,769.5%. Then ang D, AI. Ang average inventory kay equals EOQ divide 2. So ang kaning EOQ divide siya 2 kay may mo siyang 377.6 pork per kilo. Ya ang E PCC kay total carrying cost equals AI times CC equals kaning 377.6 times 10.06 equals 3,770.6. And the last one, ang F kay total annual cost equals TOC plus DCC. So, ang ari siya makuha sa kaning C of E, imo siya E plus ang 3,769.5 plus 3,770.6 equals 7,540.1.